Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your voice sound better in DaVinci Resolve 18. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To enhance the quality of your voice in DaVinci Resolve 18, you can't follow these steps. So the first step would be, open your DaVinci Resolve project and navigate to the Fairlight tab to access the audio editing features. Equalization. Click on the mixer panel in the Fairlight workspace. Locate and double click the EQ section. For your audio track, adjust these mini circle with numbers on EQ settings to enhance these specific frequencies and reduce unwanted background noise. Then, go ahead and click on X. Noise reduction. If there is background noise in your recording, use noise reduction tools. To do this, go to Effects, then access the noise reduction feature, drag it to the audio, and configure settings to reduce any unwanted ambient sounds. Once done, hit on X. Pitch correction. If needed, use pitch correction tools to refine your voice pitch. To do this, go to Effects, then go to Pitch, and adjust the pitch correction settings to achieve a more polished and consistent vocal tone. Once done, go ahead and click on X, Reverb, and Effects. Experiment with reverb and other audio effects to add depth and character to your voice. To do this, go to Effects, then Reverb. Apply effects sparingly to avoid over-processing. Once done, go ahead and click on X. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, go to Edit section, export your audio, review the exported file to ensure the desired improvements in your voice quality. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.